Pisces, ain't no song playing for you. It's an advertisement. So you may be at a pause in your life. Where you thinking about action or how you could take an action, thinking about manifesting, or think about ending or new beginnings. Because that is the theme of Scorpio season. Death and rebirth. Transformation, change. Let's find out for Pisces. Hold on. Let me finish shuffling. You may be in your head regarding a passion or something you're passionate about. Song that's playing for you is Never Recover. Goddamn, Pisces. You may be in your head about something. And you may not be able to recover from it. Or somebody may never recover from it. It's either you may never recover from a situation with somebody, or somebody may never recover from a situation with you. You feel me? Or that's how you feel. That may not be the case, but it could be. On the same hand. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Wow, that's on the bottom again. That's crazy. And I did all that just because I was tired of seeing that on the bottom. Pisces, first card out. You want to go in a direction. You want to do something fast, but you can't. Whether you feel like you want to communicate something fast. You want to, whatever it is. It's like you aiming at a target or a goal or an objective, and you ready to give it everything you got. Because you could see through the fog regarding whatever this is. But on the bottom of the deck is, in that situation, whether it's a bad move and that's why you can't move, or you did something and it fucked up your mentality, putting you in a state of never recovering, or it's... Oh, God, Pisces. Because it just made me think back to your past readings, and it's like, you consistently have the same undertone. Look, you don't feel like you'll have the strength to do something. Or just to go through something. Because the 10 of Pentacles in reverse, you're going to be stuck for a long time. You may not recover from whatever you did passionately for a long time. But it's like now you want to do something, but you can't. Or you're not. Or you just don't. I don't know. You want to move though. Fast. No, because you're in love. With luck. You can't though. Damn, if it's like a forbidden love almost. See, and you don't want it to be this way though. You don't think something's justice. And it's like you want to move, but you can't for some reason. Probably because it's like you may have messed up something. By being fixed in a certain mentality. Because this could be like a generational way of thinking, you feel me? And this puts you in this state. Because you were thinking like your mom or your dad, and your dad was thinking like your dad's dad, and then your mom was thinking like your mom's mom. You feel me? It's this generational type shit. It puts you in a situation where you can't move to the thing you're passionate about, the way you want to move towards the thing you're passionate about, and you feel like that's not right, or it's not fair. Look, 2 of Cups in reverse. Now, if it's another perspective of, yeah, no emotional movement, yeah. What song is this? That ghost. See, look, you want to go somewhere. You want to do something, but there's no movement because judgment was called. It's like something it's already done. I split it and this is back. Because of a way of thinking or something you invested in for a long time. You cannot move towards whatever you are in love with the way you want to move towards the whatever you are in love with. You want to bring some sort of emotions and or communication to this idea, whether you want to express this idea and you just don't know how to do it because you've been stuck in a way of being for such a long time, and that way of being is blocking you from coming up with the passions and or ideas on how to execute this passion and or ideas. So you cannot bring that passion and or idea to the public. You feel me? And or it's a relationship. You were thinking, you had a bad thinking habit. Look, and that puts you in your head because you don't want something to fall. You feel me? Listen, Pisces. Oh, these are what came out.